Good morning, this is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of ledgers. So first I am going to explain what is meant by ledger. Ledger is a primary records, means whatever the entries we have done, everything it will show in the ledger with opening balance. Okay, for example, we have created salary received, all the indirect expenses, indirect incomes, current asset, fixed asset, capital account, bank account, everything we have to show in the ledgers with opening balance. Okay, so first I am going to explain the how to create the ledger in the Tally software. Okay, so first already company created with the name of Company. Here we have to go to the gateway of Tally. This is the home page. Here first accounts info, ledger. Here we are finding two, single ledger and multiple ledger. Okay, so here two items will come by default. First one is for cash account and one is for profit and loss account. Okay, apart from that we have to create the capital account. See, Company is my company. For my company another can contribute some capital to your company, like NN and company. Capital account, inventory values are affected, yes. Amount 5 lakh. Another one, RR and company, as a capital account, inventory values are affected, yes. Okay, next we have to create the bank account, SBM under bank account. Next we have to create the any other bank, ICICI bank under bank account. Next we have to create one company is the debtor. One company is the debtor means debtor is a person one who receives. So I am taking DD and company as a debtor. DD and company as a sundry debtor. Sundry debtor is a person one who receives. Okay, sundry debtor. So he is receiving money from Company. So I will give 65,000. Another one you can give YY and company as a sundry creditor. Sundry creditor is a person one who gives. He is giving money to your company. For example, he is giving money to Company 1 lakh. Okay, these are all the basic entry like capital account, bank account, debtor and creditor. Apart from that, we have to create the indirect expenses like salary paid, indirect expenses, amount 65,000. Next, rent paid, commission paid, indirect incomes. Indirect incomes are which is income to our company like salary received, indirect income, rent received, commission received. Okay, current assets. Current assets are which is moving like cash at bank, current assets, cash at bank, current assets. I am just selecting from the list. Next, bills receivable. Next, fixed asset. Fixed assets are land and building, fixed asset. Say I am giving amount is 25,000. Trademarks. Then you can take it as vehicles. Fixed asset, amount. Current liability. Current liability are creditors, current liability, bills payable, bank overdraft. Okay, so these are all the basic entry what we have to do in the ledgers. You can find out in the multiple display, means whatever the items we have done, all the item we can see in the multiple display. See here, two items by default, one is for cash account and one is for profit and loss account. Then whatever the items I have done, all the items will come to the main list. Okay, so this is the creation of ledger. Now if you want to alter, you can select single alter, select it which one you want to alter. For example, salary paid. Instead of salary paid, I am going to create any name of the bank. For example, HSBC Bank under bank account. Now I altered. If you want to check whether it is altered or not, again go back, go to the multiple display, double enter. See, HSBC Bank is already altered. Now if you want to delete, select it. Again you have to go to the single alter, select it which one you want to delete. DD company, Alt D. Okay, Alt C for creation and Alt D for deletion. Okay, so this is the creation of ledger, alteration and deletion. Okay, so if you like this video, please share it, comment it and subscribe it. Thank you.